Hello YouTube, good morning and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are taking you on a day trip to Mysore from Bangalore, in which we are going to cover Payana Car Museum, Mysore Palace and Brindavan Gardens, our sunset spot. Not just the destinations but also will cover the route, where and all you can stop and eat. So it is going to be a fun-filled video. Let's begin the journey. And here we are at Nice Road. So you must have seen Nice Road many a times. So what we will do, we'll cut past the exit. Exiting Mysuru Expressway, Nice Road, and we'll connect Mysore Expressway. I'm too excited to reach Mysore Expressway, I believe. Here comes the first toll. So post Nice Road, this is the one. It looks good though.
Yeah.
We have covered what, 40 kilometers from home, right? 40-50 kilometers.
That's all.
And we ended up paying one time 171, one time 184. There is something about Bangalore, right?
The view, right?
There are perks of being in Bangalore.
Absolutely. The weather and this. So it was misty in the morning today.
Yeah. That's surprising.
We did not expect this.
So now we are in Ramnagara. On the right side, there is one more exit here now. And here also you can have food. So this is point number 4, I think, since we started on this track.
4
So we have far too many exits.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि there is a shortage of such things. Like there are more exit, Pakshala. We have been here. You can see on your screens actually. Here we are at Madhur exit. So this is another spot. Just you take the exit right near Madhur here. So you have all kinds of fast food spots, and then you have your regular dosa spot. So we are not doing the drive-through, although they have. I'll show you. So this is the drive-through lane, and this is the drive-through, and that's that. And next to that is Madhur Tiffany. We have been to this one. It's good. It's gonna be a very big complex in like no less than a year. When did we do a Coorg trip? Few months back, and so many outlets are already there. Sorry? Thank you.
You want to order right now or you want to sit and then order?
No, let's order.
No, dude.
So there is some discussion whether food is allowed to record or
Recorded.
not, but I think they're okay.
They asked like what's the purpose and all. And they were fine. Price of McD is the best.
I'll check the coffee.
How's it? It's Americano.
Right.
Hey, that's a grilled
Thank
chicken
you.
burger. Thank you.
This is a new one we are trying. Earlier we never tried this. I like it. It has that spicy taste to it.
What is this barbecue chicken?
Not the barbecue, grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken. Though it's
Mayo is red mayo, so it is spicy, not sweet.
with the cheese slice, right? And jalapeno and...
It's good actually. So this turned out to be a good one.
Did you like this?
Yeah, so
So there is a drive-through. You have to order here.
that's your pickup.
The cut from where now we are heading back to Mysore, and we have connected to the expressway. Last time we had stopped in that Madhur Tiffany's. Just next to it is that McDonald's cafe. So as per this, Port Mysore is 68. This is NH 275. So this is the Payana car museum. Lot of crowd. I did expect crowd, but not this much, honestly.
They have electric charging ports, and that's how it looks.
So they also have Hari Govind, some pure veg cafeteria. It's very huge. Lot of people here. Lot of people on a Sunday.
That's a huge tire they have taken. Do's and don'ts.
Baggage is
For
prohibited.
camera inside museum timings. And for more information, this is what they're saying.
150, no? Card
So there is cash and UPI only, no cards.
It's 150 for 2, phone camera is fine. Any DSLR or anything, that's it.
Acha. Payana Car Museum, located on Bangalore-Mysuru highway on a 23-acre land parcel, is the largest in India currently. Shri Dr. Virendra Heggade is the founder of the museum. Displays over 70 vintage cars, trucks, bikes, and a lot of these are from the private collection of Dr. Heggade and some famous personalities like Mahatma Gandhi's car or Mysore royalty or World War II vehicles. Look at this design, how loud and classy it is. This is Rolls Royce. So no matter which way you turn, you find one classic piece. There is a glider in the place. Beautiful, really busy and worthy of it actually. It's a very beautiful spot. So with time, the size of the car went down actually. As you see, the older cars were huge, way big. Yeah.
I just met Dominic.
One of the followers from Instagram, and it was really good to meet him. Look at the size of the car, how small it is now. Hey! The car you are looking at belongs to Mysore royalty. This place is simply awesome. You get to see older two-wheelers as well. Anybody who loves motors should come here. Wow, it's like a mean machine.
Actually,
Ye wala. Look at this.
see this?
Gear.
Hands karte the
That is Rajdut. We used to have
That's
one.
what I said. I never heard. I've
My
never
uncle
heard
had.
Of. Oh.
Uh,
Kawasaki, Suzuki. So these are all that came from India, right? Is it same? LML only? No.
we got. So that's Impala. So here we have on display Dr. C.V. Raman's car.
How much speed did it give?
So these used to be the sports cars of the era.
What speed
See,
did it
Roadster, 420 Roadster. 27
Top speed
HP.
is 62 miles, 100 kilometers. This can go 100. Okay. So this is the first one. It's Skoda as it is. They did not change their logo.
Now we are going to another floor. So there are army trucks and all.
Trucks are there.
This is good. Huh? I think they are World War vehicles. Whoa, look at that. Open Jeep. मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तो.
I have not watched these movies. I think.
It's beautiful. Do come if you are a car lover. Even not, do come and see how we reached where we are today. So this is Kraj used by Air Force and military. I've seen it. My dad was in Air Force, so I've seen Kraj and all those vehicles during our school days. Okay, this is Chevrolet's some vehicle, huh? So if you watch war movies from World War, they do show such vehicles. Manikala gaddi leke. Restoration work is ongoing on some vintage car. So on the ground floor, they are relatively modern cars like these taxi, Mercedes design language, how it evolved. And if you're somebody who watches Hollywood series or movies, you must have heard of Cadillac, and then Toyota makes dual tones. And then some Indian car brands with great design lost in the past, but we don't see them anymore. Some cars from past movies. All movies में kidnapping दिखा देते हैं. This one particular art-like installation of ambassadors stripped apart is really cool. Hyundai used to make such cars.
Beautiful car.
Heading towards another museum, a chapter of Manjusha Museum, Dharamshala.
Cultural.
Tulu Nadu. Dr. Hegde also has a collection of educational things, camera, photography, videography and printing press materials, which is all on their display. So this has a legacy, goes back to Dharmsthala. That was the museum. Highly recommend.
Yeah, it's very
It's a very nice place, and if you love car and you want to know about it, they have a good collection. Don't expect sports cars. There are not many. Or none actually.
And there's still sports. Old one is there.
One. So it's a great one-day activity.
Yeah.
If you are in Bangalore, right? It's fun actually. If you're coming to Mysore for some reason, do spend time here.
Yeah.
There is a huge collection of cars.
Yes. And it's spread in a very big area. So you can easily maneuver around.
Let's go to the next spot now. Expressway, highway expressway, whatever you call it, is over.
So the lights, the roads and every place is lit up in Mysore for Dasra, which just got over. we can still see the lights on. I think in the evening they'll still turn it on.
Oh wow, this like hot way, there is no sun whatsoever on this road, and it's like a natural canopy. This is a very big circle, Gandhiji, big statue. Is it bronze? And what is this? Oh, this is the palace. See, over there, a little bit of royalty. Now we are at the entrance.
Palace parking left.
So this is the palace. A lot of people are here. It's a weird place. People are stopping for you. We don't have habit of such things. People tend to push you around. And backdrop my palace.
UPI idea? GPay madla?
So parking is 50 and scanner is there, so nothing to worry. So that's the parking. Oh, very big parking.
Last time we did not get parking space. It was so difficult to find one. Today also I feel it's almost the same.
Spoke too soon. So now we are at the Mysore Palace parking.
Yeah.
And it's pretty huge.
It's just 345 and I think almost 70% of the parking is full.
By the way, people must be coming early morning. Whole day it runs.
Morning also. But evening, one extra thing is that you get to see it lit. And parking is 50 rupees.
And conveniently placed. Now, let's go to the entrance. Vehicle parking charges. Now this is palace entry. So there's a long queue.
Adults, it's per person 120. 120 rupees.
And is there a camera fee separate?
I don't see it mentioned. For children, it is 70.
And ticket is right there at the entrance itself, right?
Yeah. So we've just entered and it's cash only. We paid 120 per person. Since it's cash only, there is a little waiting and they scan your bags. We might not get light show because of Dasra. Dasra just got over. So they must be giving off to people.
There's a huge crowd here. What is that for? Is that the entry point? You cannot wear a shoe inside the palace for some reason. They are collecting bags for footwear. So it is better if you bring your bag to carry shoes.
This is what we are doing. Keeping everything in our bag. Because there's a long queue. Luckily, he's only wearing slippers. So we're planning to put it in our bag and carry it in our bag and walk.
There is a... So here...
Sunday we are...
For some reason, you have to walk here bare feet. So they are giving you the bags, but
you have to wait a lot and it's a struggle.
Huge queue.
Yeah.
Bring your bag.
It's better to get your bags. Keep your slippers or shoes.
Yeah, look at that. All those people are waiting on those bags. I think ticket checkpoint, is it? Achha, that is students' queue.
But they don't look like students.
So
They're just dividing it, I think.
I think way too popular. The palace was jam-packed. A lot of people. And some bit of beautiful architecture in between the kamuki. It's super busy, right? A nice spot in between chandelier and palace is not that huge, but the architecture and design construction seems very unique and good and very well kept. This used to be, देखो ये stadium type का है for so those staircases and all those metal structures are actually seating for Dasara festival. There used to be a parade and all those things. It's a giant structure. It's very good actually. And the roof is very big. You see. So there is a golden throne room here, but for which you have to pay 50 extra. We decided to not go. So that's a Mysore Palace. On the Dasara night when lights are lit up, that's how it looks. The detailing on this guy. Nice. In the background you can see that is Mysore Palace. It was so crowded. By the way, one thing that slippers are not allowed. Bring your bag, otherwise it will add another half an hour to your journey, right? Like you have to wait for all.
The crowd is too much.
So now we'll be heading to our final spot of the day, sunset point at KRS Dam backwaters. See you there. That is the dam, and those itna wo jo bus वगैरह hai, all those are the parking outside Brindavan Gardens, which is at the KRS Dam. That is the outflow point, if you see. वो जो
See from here also.
So we are walking towards Brindavan Gardens and the corn. It's a very busy spot though, huh? Never thought of it. And it's not so much talked about also.
Yeah.
Chalo, we'll show you the gardens if we get entry.
Parking is 100.
Parking is 100.
And there's a toll.
And here, lot of fish. See? So I think this is from the dam backwaters, all this fish. That's the entry point. These are the shops near parking. And we have decided to abandon the idea of going in due to the queue. As you can see, those many people are standing in the queue. This is what you get to see. Yeah. So we have decided not to go there. There is a light show which happens here, after which they all will start leaving. Now we are heading back to Bangalore and stop some midway.
So this place for dinner that we have come is just opposite Pakshala.
A very nice exterior. Kantara.
Who got the bigger share? I think I did.
How is it?
It's good.
It's good?
Simple and good, not too oily.
Okay. So this is Kantara restaurant. Less than 50 kilometer is now nice road. So we'll have the dinner. Bye bye.